What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Winnie the Pooh. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the top edge of the nose. We'll start over on the left side, draw a curve going up and then down on the right. Now from the ends we're going to come around and just bend that in towards the center point. Let's fill the center of the nose in black. Now I'm going to add a small fold above the nose, starting on the left. I'm going to go up and then down. Now I'm leaving a small gap on the side, draw another curve going up and then out across the base of the eyes. Now I want to tuck two circles in behind that fold for the eyes, starting on the inside, go all the way around and down on the outside, go to the right and do the same thing, coming up and just tucking that in. And we'll fill the center of the eyes in black. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We'll start over on the left side, curve this down in the middle, and then bend that up on the right, on the outside of the nose. Now I'm going to add a fold coming down and out across the corners of the mouth. Let's move in and draw a curve for the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, coming down, and then back up. And then in the middle, we'll add a curve for the edge of the tongue. Just underneath the mouth, we're going to step down, add a curve for the lip, coming down and up. Now let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We'll start on the left side, bend this up, and then down towards the side. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. From the bottom edge of the eyes, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left, let's step out, curve the cheek, going out, come around, and then just bend that in just underneath the lip. Just line this up on the right, going all the way around, come down, and then in. Then from the inside, curve the collar, coming in and down towards the center point. Now I'm going to go back and draw the top of the head. Starting over on the left, go up, go around the eyebrows in towards the center, and then back down on the right. Let's place the ears on top of the head. We start on the left side, draw a circle, just tucking this in along the bottom. And we'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start on the left side, just underneath the head. Just going to bend the body going out and then down towards the bottom edge of the shirt. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now let's connect the ends with a curve going up slightly in the middle and then back down. Now tuck the lower body in underneath the shirt. From these 2 points, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. Come down towards the bottom, round this out, and just pull that back up. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. You need a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. Bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's round out the foot, going up and then bending this down, aiming towards the heel. Now I'm going to go up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out, come down and in on top of the feet. And now we'll go back up to the top of the body and draw the arms on the hips. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the arm going out, round out the elbow, and just bend that in towards the hip, leaving a gap on the inside. And we'll fold the hands in underneath the arm. On the left, step out, bend the hand going out, and just tucking that up towards the hip. along the top of the arm. Let's add a curve for the sleeve and go up and then out. Now let's sign our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Winnie the Pooh. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.